Celery juice is popular for its potential health perks. Here are some key benefits. Benefits of celery juice: supports digestion, contains natural enzymes and fiber that may help ease bloating and promote gut health. Anti-inflammatory, packed with antioxidants like apigenin and luteolin that help reduce inflammation. Hydrating, high water content helps keep you hydrated and may improve skin health. Liver support, believed to assist in flushing out toxins and supporting liver function. Blood pressure friendly, contains compounds that help relax blood vessels, potentially lowering blood pressure. Rich in nutrients, offers vitamins A, C, K, potassium, and folate. How to use: best time: drink 1 glass, about 16 ounces, on an empty stomach in the morning. Fresh only, use organic celery if possible. Blend or juice it fresh, no additives. How to prepare celery juice. Ingredients: 1 bunch of fresh celery, preferably organic, optional, a splash of water, if blending. Instructions: with juicer. 1. Wash, rinse the celery stalks thoroughly under running water. 2. Chop, if needed cut into smaller pieces if your juicer requires it. 3. Juice, feed the celery into your juicer. 4. Serve fresh, drink immediately for best results.